Welcome to the assessment zone of physical and chemical change. So we'll solve here questions of physical and chemical change. First question is multiple choice questions MCQ. The process of crystallization is chemical change, physical change, irreversible, none of these. It is the physical change. So correct option is second option. This physical change is the correct answer. Okay, come to the second one. Rusting of iron requires only oxygen, only water, both air and water, none of these. So both required, both air and water it requires. So option third is correct. Third question, which of the following changes occur due to the evaporation? Due to the evaporation, what happened? First one, drying of the clothes, change of water vapor to water, change of water to water vapor. So due to the evaporation, drying of clothes म्हणजे कपड्यामधील पाणी निघून जाईल, change of water vapor to the water it will not take place, आणि change of water to water vapor. So correct option is both 1 and 3rd. So fourth option is correct. Come to the next question. When iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution and kept undisturbed for an hour, a chemical change takes place. The solution turns blue to green. A brown layer is deposited on the nail. So all these three activities takes place when we are replacing the iron. So correct option is D. So this is the correct one. Come to the next question. A chemical change can be accompanied with change in color, change in temperature, evolution of gas. So change in color, change in temperature, evolution of the gas, all these activities takes place in the chemical change. So correct option is all of these, and finally D option is correct. Okay, next question. Which of the following will rust on coming in contact with the air and moisture? So what will rust on coming in the contact with the air and moisture? Air means oxygen, moisture is nothing but water. So zinc is the first option, chromium is the second option, and iron is the third option. So we know already that iron is the correct answer. So third option is correct. Come to the next page. Complete the following equations given below. Second question. So first one here, magnesium plus oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Now next one, magnesium oxide plus water, it gives magnesium hydroxide. Next, copper sulfate plus iron, it gives iron sulfate plus copper. Iron sulfate plus copper. Next one, carbon dioxide plus lime water, it gives calcium carbonate plus water. Come to the next question. Write true or false. Here first question is given there in true or false. Freezing of water is a physical change. Definitely it is a physical change, so it is the true. First true. Second one, during a physical change a new substance is formed. No new substance formed in the physical change, so it is the false. Third, rusting of iron can be prevented by painting iron articles. Yes, so it is true. Fourth one, energy is always released during a chemical change. No, every time it is not releasing, so it is the false. Next one, iron objects can rust if exposed only to air. No, it requires water also, moisture also, so it is also false. F, dissolving copper sulfate powder in water is a chemical change. No, it is the physical change, so it is also false. Rust falls off the surface of iron object and expose the iron beneath to air and moisture. Yes, it is correct, so it is true. Come to the next one. Write physical or chemical change in front of the examples given below. Now first one, changing of a silver sheet into a bangle, it is just physical change, so right here physical. Next one, tearing of paper, it is also physical. Next one, hammering of a gold coin into a sheet, it is also physical. Curdling of a milk, it is irreversible, so it is the chemical reaction, chemical change. Rolling of a ball into a chapati, ball duff into a chapati, so it is a physical change. Next, baking of cake, it is chemical. Next, gluing of an electric bulb, it is the physical change. Okay, now come to the next one. For the A, third correct, and B, second is correct. Come to the next question. Now, case based. In a chemical change, two substances react, a new substance form, no new substance form. New substance form and two substances react, so case based, both. This option is correct. Next, souring of milk is an reversible, irreversible chemical change. Irreversible also and chemical also. So your option B is fourth one is correct. Next, stretching of a rubber band is an example. Reversible change, yes. Physical change, yes. Irreversible, no. So first and second, this is correct. Okay, now very short type of answers here. What type of change is cooking of vegetable? Is a chemical change. Chemical change. Next, list the two conditions essential for the rusting. So which two things required? Oxygen and water. Next, what change occurs when milk changes into curdling? Is a type of chemical change. Chemical change. What is the purest form of solid substance having a definite geometrical shape? Crystals. Crystals are the purest form. Now